Birds, guys. Outside, it's crazy. Like, I don't know where they're going.
Oh, just a few more.
We all were in the trees. I guess they're all in those trees now.
Oh, Mommy, look.
Let's take a little walk out front.
Yep, they're in the trees.
Whoa. Do you hear that? I feel like I'm in the movie Birds right now. Jasper! Jasper! Well, that was unfortunate. Come on! He's freaking out because of the birds. I don't even get it. Come on, baby! Jasper! Come on, buddy. It's just birds. They're in the tree. You can't do nothing about it. That's as good as this piece of crap gets.
Thanks, Mommy. It's right here.
Dog freaking out. It's all these birds. Dang. Trying to go slow so you guys can kind of see. It's kind of hard. Of course, it's cloudy because we're not allowed to have sunshine because they chemtrail shit out of us all the time. Whatever. Look at all the birds, dude. Jasper, come on.
Come on, Jasper.
What is wrong with you? Jasper, come on.
Jasper, come here. Come here, baby.
Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come here, baby. He's so handsome. Come on, handsome. Come on, chunky butt. Come on. Come on. Okay.
I guess he's
Talk to you guys later. Bye.